So I've got the tent out because it's just come back from cleaning and I needed to reattach the canvas to the ground sheet and also put the guy lines back on. But while I've got it out, I thought I'd show you how I fold it to put it away. The door is closest to us here at the front of the drive. And the first thing I do is I fold it from the back all the way forwards. That means it's canvas to canvas. And if I can do that quickly, even when it's raining, most of the canvas stays dry. Okay, so the next thing I just want to point out is that although the zip is done up all the way around, it isn't done up at the bottom of the door, because then as I roll it forwards, the air inside the tent can come out at the bottom. Let me show you. Now I'm just going to fold it in from the sides and roll it forward. So I'm using my bag as a spacer. The bag is about 1 metre wide, which happens to fit into my car. So if I fold it to the size of the bag, then it fits in the bag nicely and it will also fit in my car. Pretty good? Putting the bag over the top rather than lifting it in, A, stops it from coming unravelled, and B, means I haven't got to lift it up again. Done. Now, of course, I do exactly the same thing with my ground sheet. As you can see, I wasn't quite as careful with my feet. I did walk on there with flat shoes, and I also didn't bother to roll it at the end because the shape of the bag is designed to have it folded. I did a little bit of brushing off of some of the dried muck, and often I find that when I get home I can take it out and just a bit more of a shake will get rid of some more of that. In everyday life, I am not somebody who worries exactly how something is folded, but with my tent, I do try and fold everything the same way, partly for practical reasons like keeping the canvas dry and clean, and partly so that when I set it up again next time, I always know how to roll it out. I always know that if I put it down and roll it away from me, then the door is going to be near me and it will all roll out backwards. That saves a lot of faffing around and carrying heavy canvas when I don't need to. Hope that was helpful.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos on glamping, please like or subscribe to our channel.